Hello students, I myself Professor M. N. Jadhav from KK Polytechnic Nasik. Today we will go for the classification of amplifiers using different coupling devices. There are various types of amplifiers, but here we'll go only for coupling devices. So what is the concept of multi-stage amplifier? So in practical, rather if we are using a single transistor, we will say as a single stage amplifier. But if we are using more than one transistor, we may say it as a multi-stage amplifier. In multi-stage amplifier, the output of first stage is coupled to the next stage using a coupling device. These coupling devices can usually be the capacitor or a transformer. This process of joining two amplifier stages using a coupling device is called as a cascading. In cascading, why we are doing cascading or coupling? Here the simple figure indicates the connections between two stages. The basic purpose of coupling or cascading, it is used to transfer the AC signal from output of one stage to the input of the next stage, or it is also used to block the DC to pass from output of one stage to the input of the next stage, which means for the purpose of isolation of DC conditions. The overall gain is given the product of individual gain of each amplifier stage. Here the equation is there. If we are considering two stages, stage 1 and stage 2, then the overall gain for these two stages is equal to AV1 multiplied by AV2, which is the gain of second stage. Or in other words, we may say that the overall gain is equal to the output of the second stage to the input of the first stage. Now we'll observe the slide for types of amplifiers using coupling devices. Basically, there are three types of amplifiers using coupling devices. The first one is called as the resistance capacitance coupling, in which the resistor and the capacitors, they are connected to connect one stage to another stage, and this is commonly used method of coupling. The capacitor, which allows the AC and block the DC, is the main coupling element used here. The cost of the circuit is very low because the components are so cheap and the circuit is compact in nature. The second stage of coupling we will say as a transformer coupling, in which transformer is used as a coupling device to connect from one stage to another. The secondary winding of the transformer provides a base return path, and hence there is no need of base resistance. This coupling is popular for its efficiency, and the impedance matching is very high for the same. But the transformer coupling is bulky in nature because of the use of transformer. The next method is direct coupling. In this, the first stage of the amplifier is directly connected to the second stage or the next stage. The individual amplifier stage bias conditions are so designed that the stages can be directly connected without any DC isolations. The direct coupling method is mostly used when the load is connected in series with the output terminal of the active circuit element, and this is basically used for headphones and loudspeakers. So these are the three basic classifications of amplifiers using coupling devices. Now here we will make a little bit comparison between all these amplifiers using the coupling devices. The first one will go for the parameters, that is frequency response. For RC coupling it is excellent. For transformer coupling it is poor, and for direct coupling it is middle of these two, that is best. The cost of the RC coupled amplifier is less, the transformer coupling is more, and the direct coupling is less because very less components are used in direct coupled amplifiers. Regarding to space and weight, we'll see for RC coupling the space is less, but transformer coupling it is more, and for direct coupling the space is very small as very few components we are using. Impedance matching for RC coupling is not good, but for transformer coupling it is excellent because of the use of transformer, and for direct coupling it is little bit good. The applications for RC coupled they are used for voltage amplifications. The transformer coupling it is used for power amplifications, and the direct coupling they are used for amplifying extremely low frequencies. So here the comparison between all these three amplifiers using coupling devices. Thank you.